Ever wondered how top chefs maintain the orange color in carrots, the green color in peas and broccoli? This is the method they use, blanching. In this video, I'm going to teach you how blanching is done. Imagine a simple technique that could transform your food, elevating its taste, texture, and color. Welcome to the world of blanching. Blanching is a cooking process whereby foods, usually vegetables and fruits, are placed in boiling water for a brief period, then placed in cold water or under running water to stop the cooking process. Ensure you have a pot of boiling water, and in this water you can add bicarbonate of soda, or if you don't have bicarbonate of soda, you can add salt. So I'm adding a little bit of salt and letting it to boil. Then after the water has boiled, that is when we will put in our vegetables for blanching. Place your vegetables in the boiling water. And cook for a few minutes.
Kick.
After letting the blanched vegetables to cool, you can package them in your containers that you have or in your Ziploc bags and keep them in your fridge. And you can use them anytime you want. Anytime you remove these vegetables from the fridge to fry them, they'll still maintain their green color even after a long time. You don't need fancy equipment. You just need a pot of boiling water, salt or bicarbonate of soda, a colander, some ice cold water or running tap water, and your favorite fruits and vegetables. So, elevate your dishes and enjoy healthier meals by using this technique. You can try this at home and share your results in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.